Hi everyone, my name is Sarah and I'm 6 years old. And today I am going to make a mango cheesecake for my own birthday, which is tomorrow. Caution, this can make your hands messy. Alright, now let's check out how we make the mango mousse cake. For the crust, I have got some honey graham crackers and I've put them in a Ziploc bag. I am going to crush them. So I have a rolling pin that I have used to crush these graham crackers. I am going to add my crumbs into this melted butter. I have the springform pan and I have greased butter and lined it with wax paper. And I have pressed my crumbs into the pan. As my crust chills in the fridge for 30 minutes, I am going to chill here. In this pot, I have put some cream cheese and I am going to whip it in the mixer. So, let's get started and I'll show you how to whip it. Now, I am going to pour the mango pulp into our cream cheese. I have mixed this really well, and it has become into a smooth batter. And a little secret, I added some sugar to make it even sweeter. I have some gelatin, and I am going to pour it in some hot water, and then pour the hot water and the gelatin into my lovely batter. I am going to fold some whipped cream into the batter. You guys, to make my cake even fancier, I'm gonna add some diced up mangoes. I'll show you how. I have poured the batter into the mold, and next I will show you how to make the glaze. Let's check it out. I have some gelatin and hot water, and I'm going to pour that into this pulp. After mixing the pulp, I am going to pour the pulp over the batter. I'm pouring the glaze on the batter. Guys, I put my cake in the fridge overnight, and now here it is. Ta-da! Since it's my birthday, I'm gonna dig in.
Woo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
This is so good. I love it. And do you know who else would like it the most? A moose! Bye-bye. As my crust chills in the